12 Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 1st, Chapter number 6, Line and Plane. Dear students, we are going to study the vector equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points. Theorem. The vector equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points A vector, B vector and C vector is R vector minus A vector dot B vector minus A vector cross C vector minus A vector equal to 0. We have to find vector equation of plane passing through the 3 points. Suppose this is the plane. Plane passing through the 3 points. Here is the point A, B and C. With position vector, suppose here is origin O. Then position vector of A is small a bar. Position vector of B is small b bar. Position vector of small c is c bar. We have to find equation of plane passing through these 3 points. Let P of R be any point on the plane. Therefore, position vector of P is R vector. Solution. Let P of R be any point on the plane passing through three non-collinear points A vector, B vector and C vector. We know that A, B, C are points on the same plane. Join AP, AB and AC. Then AP vector, AB vector and AC vector are coplanar. Three vectors on the same plane, that is the coplanar. Therefore, AP vector dot AB vector cross AC vector equal to 0. AP vector is R vector minus A vector dot AB vector cross AC vector equal to 0. R vector minus A vector. Also we know that AB vector is B vector minus A vector cross AC vector equal to C vector minus A vector equal to 0. This is the scalar triple product or box product. That's in box R vector minus A vector, then B vector minus A vector and C vector minus A vector equal to 0, which is the equation of the plane passing through 3 points. Also, this equation in Cartesian form. Then take the determinant R minus A. Suppose R is a coordinate x, y, z. A is a point x1, y1, z1. B is a point x2, y2, z2. C is a point x3, y3, z3. Then R minus A means x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Also the second B minus A is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. C minus A, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. Here is scalar triple product, therefore its determinant is equal to 0. Examples. Example number 12. Find the vector equation of a plane passing through the points A 1 1 2, B 0 2 3 and C 4 5 6. Solution. Let small a vector, b vector, c vector be the position vectors of the points A, B, C respectively. Therefore, here is a vector equal to I vector plus j vector plus 2k vector. B vector equal to 2j vector plus 3k vector. C vector equal to 4i vector plus 5j vector plus 6k vector. We write the position vector A vector, B vector, C vector. Here we have to find B vector minus A vector. B vector minus A vector. Then 0 minus I is I minus I vector. 2j minus j is j vector. 3k minus 2k is k vector. Also C vector minus A vector. 4i minus I vector is 3i vector. 5j minus j is 4j vector. 6k minus 2k is 4k vector. We have to find cross product of B vector minus A vector cross C vector minus A vector. Then determinant. First row is ijk. Second row is coefficient of B vector minus A vector, that is minus 1, 1, 1. Also third row is a coefficient of ijk in C vector minus A vector, that is 3, 4, 4. Then I vector. 4 minus 4 is 0. Minus j vector, row column deleted, minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7 into, it is minus j, that is plus 7j. K vector, row column deleted, minus 4 then minus 3, that is minus 7 into k vector. The plane passes through the point. A vector is I plus j plus 2k, and here is cross product of these two vectors, means which is the normal up to the plane. Hence 7j minus 7k is normal to the plane. We know that the equation of the plane is r vector minus a vector dot 7j minus 7k equal to 0. That is r vector minus a vector into n vector equal to 0, which is the normal to the plane. Put the value of a vector r minus I plus j plus 2k dot 7j minus 7k equal to 0. Then r dot 7j minus 7k equal to, here is minus sign, then in bracket ij plus 2k into 7j minus 2k. This term take on RHS, then we get I vector plus j vector plus 2k dot 7j minus 7k equal to r dot 7j minus 7k equal to, here is term of I is absent, therefore 1 into 0 is 0. Here is 1 into 7 is 7. 2 into minus 4 minus 14. 7 minus 14 equal to minus 7 is the required equation of the plane. Here is plane passing through 3 points. Therefore find B minus A, C minus A. Take the cross product. These are on the plane. Here cross product, find which is normal to the plane. We know that the equation of the normal passing through the point, and here is normal, then r vector into a vector equal to a vector into n vector. Take the form r minus a vector into n vector equal to 0. Simplifying, we get the equation of the plane. Example number 13. Find the vector equation of a plane which makes 1, 1, 1 on the coordinate axis. Here is intercept on x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Solution. The vector equation of the plane passing through A vector, B vector, C vector, where A, B, C are non-collinear, is r vector dot AB vector cross AC vector equal to A vector dot AB vector cross AC vector. Here AB vector cross AC vector are normal to the plane. As AB vector and AC vector is on the plane, therefore their cross product is normal to the plane. Hence the equation of a plane is r vector into n vector equal to a vector into n vector. N means normal to the plane. The required plane makes intercept 1, 1, 1 on the coordinate axis. Therefore it passes through three non-collinear points. A equal to 1, 0, 0, B equal to 0, 1, 0, C equal to 0, 0, 1. Therefore, its position vector small a vector equal to I cap, B vector equal to j cap, C vector equal to k cap. We have to find a b vector, that is b vector minus a vector. Hence j minus I vector. Write minus I vector plus j vector. Also AC vector is C vector minus A vector. Therefore K minus I vector. Write sequentially minus I vector plus K vector. We have to find AB vector cross AC vector equal to determinant. First row is IJK. Second row coefficient of AB vector, that is minus 1, 1, 0. Third row is coefficient of AC vector minus 1, 0, 1. Then we have to find determinant. I. Cross multiply 1 minus 0 into I. Take minus sign, multiply by j. Row column deleted, minus 1 minus 0 plus k vector. Row column deleted, 0 minus minus plus 1. Simplifying, we get I vector plus j vector plus k vector. Also a vector dot ab vector cross ac vector. A vector is small I vector dot. We have to find AB vector cross AC vector is I plus j plus k. equal to dot product. Coefficient of ii is 1, therefore 1 cross 1, 1 multiplied by 1 plus. Here is jk absent, therefore take 0, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1. We get 1 plus 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 1. From equation 1, that is from this equation, the vector equation of the required plane is r vector dot I plus j plus k equal to 1. Thank you.